Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Talha Tech. So I am Talha Shah. Uh, we have an important topic to discuss: construction truck accident and the circle role of a construction truck accident lawyer. If you are someone you know has been involved in such an accident, you are in the right place. Will provide you with additional information on how to navigation through these challenging situations. But remember, the video is the informational purpose only and is essential to consult a qualified attorney for personalized legal advice. So, number one, I tell you understanding construction truck accidents. So, let's start by understanding what construction truck accident are. Construction sites are dynamic environment, and accident involving heavy equipment like trucks can lead to severe injuries and even fatalities. These accidents can occur due to various factors, including navigation, equipment failure to or indicator safety measures. So number two, why you need a construction truck accidental lion. If you or a loved one has been injured a construction truck accident, it's circle to seek legal representation. Here why need a construction truck accident lawyer. Number one, expertise. These layer specification in handling cases related construction accidental, understanding the complicit involved. So today I discuss about my video title. You see the my video title, construction truck accident liar you legal guide. So today video is end. I hope you like my video. Please share, like, comments and support me. Okay, bye. Allah Hafiz. Talha Tech.